Okay, so to reset your oil change interval, basically you're gonna cycle through till you see this truck indicator here. You're gonna see a picture of your truck. Again, you can cycle up and down, and then you probably have to cycle left and right, so you'll see like gauge summary, oil temperature, all that kind of stuff. And then you're gonna see oil life, of course, that's the one we wanna get to. And you're gonna see a little indicator at the bottom says hold to reset. So kind of this little play looking button. So it looks like it's a 10,000 mile interval that mine's set up, at least. I don't know if it's variable, but that's the way mine's set up. And I like to do things a lot sooner, but I never reset it the last time. It just never came on, of course. So you're gonna go ahead and hold this little play button, and you're gonna see it say that to reset it, the engine must be off with the ignition in run. So we're gonna turn it off. We're gonna let our foot off the brake, accessory, run. And it's gonna go ahead and tell us all this stuff. Of course, my service tire pressure system is still on, but hopefully eventually I'll get that fixed, but it doesn't bother me probably as much as it bothers you guys. Okay, so here it is. You're gonna see my tire pressure stuff, and that's what's gonna come up first, but something else is probably gonna come up for you. So you're gonna use these buttons here to cycle left and right, trans temperature, oil temperature, and of course oil life. So you're gonna hit this play button here, hold it. It's gonna say cancel or confirm reset, cancel or okay. We're gonna scroll down to okay. Then we're gonna hit this play button again. Okay, now we have 100% oil life again. So let's go ahead and recheck our oil level, and we should be able to wrap up.